What's up, Kick Fam? My name is Alex, and today we're going to be talking about a shoe that, man, I thought I was going to cop and I was going to make so much money off of, but in reality, the prices only went up by I don't know, like 100 and some change. I paid 160 for it. No, it's not a Jordan 1. I paid 160 for it, and I think right now the last sale price on StockX was around like 327. So I guess it's close to double if I could get that same amount. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Today we are talking about the Nike SACAI Waffle in the nylon white colorway. Alright guys, welcome to the video. I do want to say thank you for everyone who's watched, left a like and commented so far, and subscribed. If you are not part of the Kick Fam, please make sure you go ahead and do hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so that you can be updated whenever I drop new content. As of right now, I am uploading every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So if you are not part of the Kick Fam, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does help with the channel growing, and I really do appreciate that. Also, you can follow me on Twitter at AlexKicks336. That's at AlexKicks336. And make sure you mention me whenever you drop your kicks of the day so I can see what you guys have on foot. Let's get some quick background. I believe these dropped on March 10th. I got them through the sneakers app, and I was so hyped because I saw that the previous colorways, the prices basically doubled and tripled for some of the other colors. And I was like, yes, this is about to be an easy come up. While I did like the shoe, it wasn't something that I was just like, man, I need to have those to cop. But I was like, you know, these could potentially be a great reselling opportunity. So, you know, I took my chances. I was able to get the W, and I waited and I waited and I waited. And yeah, I mean, maybe I haven't waited long enough, but the prices, it's only up like maybe roughly double of what the retail value was. So I mean, I could definitely sell and have a little come up, but you know, I thought it was gonna get up to like $500–600. Maybe I was wrong for thinking that, but you know, this would have only been the second shoe that I ever resold. Just to jump into some of the detail of the shoe, this is a collaboration with Nike and SACAI. Prior to this shoe collaboration, I had no idea what SACAI was in terms of like designs and their branding. The first SACAI waffles that came out that I heard of were like the green and pink and yellow. And then the colorways that came out that I actually wanted were like the black and white, not the nylon black and whites that dropped with the ones that I did purchase, but the black and white that dropped previously. And there was also like a gray and white colorway they were really dope. Unfortunately, I was not able to get any of those pairs, but I was able to secure this one. So as of right now, like I said, I did purchase with the intent to resell this shoe, but I think I am going to hold on to them. I have yet to wear them just because of the material they're made of. It's like that nylon canvas kind of material, and it just seems like they'll get dirty so easy. They're just a magnet for dirt, so you have to be super careful. I am a proponent for wearing your shoes, but these, I've literally been scared to wear them. When these came out, they did retail for $160, which is the normal price point for Jordan 1s, but I do believe they're gonna start selling those at $170 now. At least most of the latest drops have been at $170. I remember at one point those were $140, then they went up to $160. Now they're $170, but I mean, it's just $10 more. It is what it is. Going over some of the design elements of the shoe, it's a super dope shoe. It has that double swoosh that everybody knows. Also, it has two tongues on the shoe, which is also, I thought, very unique. One of them does say Nike SACAI, and the other says Nike Sportswear, just kind of like the normal Nike tag. When you look at the back of the shoe, it has that Nike SACAI branding on the heel. And yeah, man, just the overall kind of rustic look of this shoe, while it being very clean, is very dope. One thing that I have not changed, that I'm not a huge fan of with the shoe, is the laces. They have like these silky laces with gold tips on that lace, which is cool, but once again, these just seem like they're screaming to get dirty. Like, you just putting the shoe on, if your hands aren't washed, all the oils and dirt that may be on your hands can easily mess these shoes up. The laces are so delicate, just from tying your shoes over time, eventually those will get dirty. So they did come with 2 extra pairs of regular white laces so that you can interchange, and at some point I may do that just for the point of not getting those laces dirty. These have not been worn outside, they've only been worn around the house just to kind of lace them up and get a feel for the shoe. One thing that I will say about the shoe is that it is extremely comfortable. Some shoes that I've worn that kind of feels similar in my opinion, and I don't know if it's because it has that huge sole, are like Nike Huaraches. They feel super similar to this shoe in terms of just, you know, how it feels around your foot. They kind of feel similar to a Reebok Classic as well. And when you're looking at the shoe, they do kind of look like a mix between a Reebok Classic and a Nike Runner. If they would have a baby, this would be the shoe. For overall comfort, I would give it about a 7 out of 10. In terms of styling these shoes, since they are mainly white, they have like that white and that off-white kind of egg crate color. I would definitely rock these with all black or a darker color denim, or on the other end of the spectrum, a really light colored denim. These are shoes that you don't have to go crazy with. Very basic shoes, just throw them on. Akin to like an all-white Air Force One or just any other all-white sneaker. Super easy to style. You don't have to put too much thought into your fit. These are great for just throwing something on and going about your day. At some point, I will be putting these shoes on, since it does not seem like I'm gonna resell. If the sale price hits like $500 or $600 within the next month or so, then maybe I will sell them, but I'm just waiting for that perfect day to pull these out. These are clearly a shoe that would be great for the summertime. It's just about having that perfect opportunity to wear them. All right, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap on this video. I appreciate you for tuning in. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video.